Every terminal used like a node, and I wanted to change it to Rust. And I mean, I can do it. I can manually figure it all out, but all my automated attempts failed miserably. And then I revisited 4 or 5 months later, and I'm like, okay, now let's use something even more experimental. And I just typed convert this and this part to SIG, and then let codecs run off, and it basically got it right. There was one little detail that I had to like modify afterwards, but it just ran for overnight to like 6 hours and just did the thing. And it's just mind blowing.
So that's on the LLM programming side, refactoring, but back to the actual story of the prototype. So how did Vibe Tunnel connect to the first prototype where your like agents can actually work?
Well, that was still very limited. Like I had this one experiment with WhatsApp, then I had this experiment, and both felt like not the right answer. And then my third try was literally just hooking up WhatsApp to Cloud Code. One shot, the CLI. Message comes in, I call the CLI with -p. It does its magic. I get the string back and I send it back to WhatsApp. And I built this in 1 hour. And I already felt really cool. It's like, oh, I can like talk to my computer, right? That was cool. But I wanted images, because I often use images when I prompt. I think it's such an efficient way to give the agent more context, and they're really good at figuring out what I mean, even if it's like a weird cropped off screenshot. So I used it a lot, and I wanted to do that in WhatsApp as well. Also, like, just you run around, you see like a post of an event, you just make a screenshot and like figure out if I have time there, if this is good, if my friends are maybe up for that. It's like images seemed important. So I worked it took me a few more hours to actually get that right. And then it was just, I used it a lot. And funny enough, that was just before I went on a trip to Marrakesh with my friends for a birthday trip. And there it was even better because internet was a little shaky, but WhatsApp just works. It's like, doesn't matter. You have like Edge, it still works. WhatsApp is just made really well. So I ended up using